Alrighty, folks. Let's see, SideBorders. We want to know how to do that in Outlook Express Classic program. So let me move this to the center just to get started. I would suggest that you put in your type and all that stuff first. And there's some type I already have just to save time. And let's see, let's go to Format, Background Picture to add our background tile, whatever that would be. And you would go into your files to wherever you have them stored, what you made. Got one here. And it automatically tiles what you got. And let's see, we can change color here. Let's change color to something better than that. Here's where we change colors at. I'll just make it white and bold. And let's see, that will show up good. Now we need to move this over, so let's select the text there. And over here we have increase indent or decrease indent. So let's increase it and move that text over just by left clicking on it, over. And now the text is where pretty much where we would want it for a side border. So that's how you get your text over like that. Like I said, you probably want to do that before you even put the side border in. And we can move this down, of course, hitting enter on our keyboard. And we can move this up, backing it up if we want to. And if you wanted to add a header to it, why then you could right click, or you could go up here, insert picture. That works too, or you could right click and get that option and browse to where you want to go. Let's see, let's go here. And I'll stick that in there. And don't have to change anything there, right there. Let's move this over to the center. And there we have it. That's the way it will look when you send it out. See, we could change the color on this text here too if we want to. Change that to white. Change this to white. Oh, I highlighted that. Okay. Whoop. Oh, you can use Control Z and undo your step too if you mess up on most of the steps. It doesn't work on all of them. But there we go. There's a general idea. And look, we can use a side border. Now, same thing happens now when we send it out. That whoever receives it will see it like we've sent it out. But when they click reply, you'll probably lose the side border, and you'll keep the picture or your tag or whatnot you have added as a insert picture. That should remain where it was, but when they go to type, it will be on top of your picture. I'll call it a header. That's what we use. It's a header. And so that's pretty much it. Oh, I wanted to say something about your type here. You want to have rich HTML selected in order to have this toolbar appear. Otherwise, it won't show. And you can select text and change things like the size, or you could change the text. And when you left click on the font, sometimes when you click on the font, it kind of lags a little bit before it actually opens up. So don't think it's not working. Just give it time to go ahead and work. You can see it's changed it down here. And okay, that's what I wanted to show you. So this is Outlook Express Classic. It's not Outlook, it's not Express, it's Outlook Express Classic. And this is the purchase version that I'm using here. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope it helps you out on this transition. I'm moving from IncrediMail. Thank you. This is Hooty.